Yo, the talent is wild, bro. The talent is wild. What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to a video or a performance that was done by Diana and a little girl. I'm not sure of the name, but I'm already sure of Diana's name. And I'm excited to check out this video, right? But I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up with this performance that will be done by Diana and that little baby girl. So let's dive in. Peace.
Аксинья, ну, во-первых, роскошный наряд, но у нас есть для тебя сюрприз. Для того, чтобы твое выступление стало еще краше, мы кое-кого пригласили в нашу студию. Рассказать кого?
Да.
Запоминай. Двукратная победительница шоу «Ты супер», победительница шоу «Show Must Go On» на канале НТВ, Диана Анкудинова. Диана, иди к нам, привет, смотри, как тебя встречает студия. Диана, знакомьтесь, это Аксинья. Аксинья, это Диана. Да.
Очень приятно познакомиться. А сколько тебе лет?
8.
Ничего, что я уже тут
Да, да.
One thing I've observed about Diana, she's matured a lot. And to see her in another video with someone else, especially for a little kid, I marveled. I marveled.
Да, занимайтесь, я просто послушаю пока твой голос.
Ну давай с тобой поговорим.
А скажи, заплати за проезд.
Заплати за проезд.
Уа! Шик.
Так, мы сегодня будем что-то делать, да?
Да, я расскажу. Дело в том, что мы придумали такой вид творчества, как вокально-воздушный дуэт. Ты будешь, так сказать, под куполом цирка. Нет, секунду. Ты будешь петь, а Аксинья, разумеется, под куполом цирка. Я просто чуть костюмы не перепутал. Ты нам поможешь?
Ну давайте попробуем, вдруг получится. Вдруг реально получится. Как думаешь, получится?
Конечно.
Все,
Да?
мы в тебя
Ну
верим,
всё.
значит, получится обязательно. Итак, Аксинья Морозова и Диана Анкудинова. Вокально-воздушный дуэт.
I guess it's some form of gymnastic performance. I have a confession. My country, Jamaica, we are not a big major fan of gymnastics, but we are major fan of, Olympics, track and field, cricket, right? But, I do not have any backstory of Jamaican partaking in any form of gymnastics, probably back in the days, but we're not that fan of gymnastics. But, I do respect people who partake in gymnastics because, it's a very gifted talent, very much gifted talent.
Desert Rose.
I dream of gardens in the desert, how we can find I dream of love as time runs through my hand. I dream of fire. Those dreams are tied to a hope that will never die. And now you fly, your shadows place in the shape of a man's desire. This is a rose, each effervescence a secret promise. This is a flower, no sweet perfume ever touched me more than this. dream of rain, a dream of guidance in the deserts, a waking man, a dream of love as time ran through my head, a dream of fire. Those dreams are tied to a hole that will never die, and in the flames, the shadows place in the shape of a man's desire. This is a rose, it shall prevail to secret promise. This is a flower, no sweet perfume ever touching me more than you.
Yo, the talent is wild, bro. The talent is wild. Humongously beautiful talent. And you know, Diana's addition with her spontaneous voice had to her fuel, which engulfed into a volcanic eruption, bro. She's giftedly talented. She's talented. I gotta say, bro, she brought tears to my eyes. I sobbed. I sobbed, bro. Trust me. I am feeling impressed right now. Impressive. Very impressive.
Браво! Аксинья Морозова и Диана Анкудинова! Как вам совместный номер? Как тебе выступление Аксиньи?
Ну, это было, конечно, блестяще. Я никогда в жизни такого не сделаю. Да даже на высоту такую подняться. Для меня это очень страшно. А ты какой-то прям герой. Вот прям герой. Молодец большая. Спасибо тебе большое. Я прям очень рада сегодня вот петь именно под такую красивую Аксинью девчонку. Спасибо тебе большое. Давай обнимемся. Боже мой.
That was awesome. That was awesome. I gotta make my commentary on this performance that was done by that kid. Her parents must be proud. I'm not her parents, but I'm literally proud. Some movement that was done in that loop. It's marvelous, bro. I was scared through the entire performance while watching. It was marvelous. That takes a lot of practice, courage, and so much guts to do all that performance in so much crowd. She didn't make one mistake to make any form of correction, bro. She did great. I gotta say, Little Miss, you should keep up the great work. You've done yourself a wonderful job. Diana, the duet was fantastically good. You've done it again, and I'm proud to be a fan of your music. Even though you are Russian, but your music and your voice, it's incredible. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on the video, you know, smash that subscribe button, and to share this to any one of your Russian friends, letting them know that Jamaican loves the Russian music, especially Diana and Shaman. So I'll see you guys in the next Diana suggested video. Peace.